Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to customize our footer here on the Wix Harmony editor. Let's get started. First, let's go to the very bottom of our page, go to our footer and click on it. So once we select it, relevant tools will appear here on the action bar right above. And here we can start by replacing its background. You can choose to use a solid color, an image, or even a video. So if you want to use an image or a video, you just have to click the plus button here to upload your desired image or video to use, and then select a color you'd like to set for the color behind the video. Next, we have the opacity tool. So in case you'd like to adjust the opacity of your footer, you just adjust this slider over here or input a specific value on this field. Next, we have the borders tool. So if in case you'd like to define the edges of your footer, you can select a style from here, set its width in pixels, and then select a color of your choice. So it's going to look something like that. Moving on, we have the section divider. So here you can choose from fun shapes to serve as the divider of your header. You can set a divider for the bottom part of your footer as well as for the top part of your footer, something like that. And then finally, we have the animation tool. So this is if in case you'd like to add the fade animation effect for when you scroll towards your footer. So go ahead and tweak these things out according to your preferences, and once you're done, your changes will automatically be saved in the editor. And that's it. That's how you customize your footer's design here on the Wix Harmony editor. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for checking out today's video. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.